All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's see. Are we back yet? Okay, cool. We're back. All right. So I went away real quick and I figured out how to set the environment variables for this more simply. So I'm just going to do that right now. So I'm going to go here and go to here and I'll say just env. So I go here, edit environment variables, and this is going to come up. And all right, so I'm just going to add a variable here and say Algorand token server. Port, sender mnemonic. Oh, I'm just using the quotes for now. And then receiver. I'll press OK. And now let's try. Hmm. The variable is not set. Hmm. Okay. That app transact. All right, so let's see. It says cannot find module LS. Oh, CD examples. Wow. All right, so then now LS, and then now let's try it. Cannot find module. And oh, okay, and then now let's try it again. Module not found. CJS. Let's trying something. Sending application transaction. Bad request. No response. Readable HTTP. All right, so this is doing something now. It's like it's running the application. So let me see if I changed anything. Try and run it one more time. Just see what how it happens. Power Man not found. Let's see. So let's install it. Power Man. I don't, Power Man. Let's see. Let's see. Power Man 5000. Power Man. Yeah. I'll use it. Oh, that's funny. That's some stuff. What's trying? Response. No response. So let's see. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing, man? All right. Sending application creation transaction bad request. Let me just try another application before I go crazy. Just double check what my node value is because I no, this was something else. I was messing around earlier. Okay, so it's just something with the thing. So it's actually I'm running transactions. Wow, I've got the SDK kind of working. So now it's starting to learn through what's going on. The first thing that we ran was the create asset. No. It was generate sender receiver. So let's just take a look at this and see what's going on. Generating sender and receiver accounts. This example demonstrates generating multiple accounts. Please feel free to use this example to generate test accounts as needed for some of the other examples. So you require the SDK. It's a require syntax. This is a utility. You do the array destructuring to get the information out of these guys. Then and then this is I think it's a key pair maybe. So secret key to mnemonic, or we will unlock the wallet. The wallets it seems. Okay, this is where it looks a little. Oh, so this is just where it logs the console and tells us what's going on. So all this stuff that we're seeing here, this is how it's telling all that stuff. So it's like this is really the how it reads out and tells us what's going on. So really all the information that's happening is just these 4 lines. That's a lot of stuff to go through to get 4 lines of code running. But now we're kind of at least talking to the back end. Let me see. And TypeScript example that let's run the TypeScript example just to see. So I'll just do the same thing. I'll just say bot And then I'll pull this back. Running. All right, it did it. So let's see what it says. Let's try and start learning how to read this stuff. So, ba 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 ba. All right, example of TypeScript. So this pulls us the SDK. Oh, it's nice import syntax. I like that. All right, so sender receiver. We receive from the utilities class. This is the utilities class. Let's see what it's doing. This is what I needed. All right, so guys, this is what it is. So now you know utils.js. If you want to just keep it easy and go by as you go, so just come in here and just change these process environments to the actual ones that you're going to use. You could just put the actual information in this and then get rid of all the environment stuff probably. So I'm going to play around with doing that eventually, but you know, could make it easier just to get started and not and see something running on the screen. But just always remember that, you know what I mean? Remember that you could do that. All right, cool. So now we've got these things running. What's the next step? We've got the SDK going. And JavaScript and TypeScript is working. So let's see. So let's go on to the site and take a look on the back to the original one that we were on, the Algorand. Yeah, so then boom, so we'll go back to start building. Connected to a node. Wait, hold on. Oh, this is new stuff. Let's see. Oh, this is how to use the SDK. So this is kind of cool. So now we can kind of use this now that we have this system set up. So let's just try and I gotta get an API key. Some 30. No, I don't need an API key. All right. Check a node status. Okay. Let's just try this. This isn't gonna work here. I'm gonna have to make it a script. Save this. How are we? Oh yeah. Oh, okay. So I copied this from the Algorand SDK. Algorand. Wait, that you go Algorand client. Oh, I gotta figure out how the hell. Wait, Algorand client. Oh, from Algorand. Okay, so let's put all this in. Algorand client is never reassigned. Use const. Oh, that's some hardcore. Okay, so it looks like we're running this file. Let's see the end 4001. Oh, me. Yeah, let's just do this. Get rid of this. Okay, so let's see. Going back to the status.js, and then we'll say, hmm, Arrow functions. Let's see if this works. So I just added the little async, and I wrapped that in a function so that we can call this. I'm just trying to do a quick little hack to get it working. It should work though. Okay. Trying. Oh wow. All right. So success. I was able to copy the code from this Algorand create an Algorand client and check the node status and get a response. Let's see. Why don't we try this? Check generate parameters. And I'll just console log the parameters. Let's try it. Why not? See, so I'll add this in too. Const. So I'll say check. Save this again, and then boom. I'm up and say npm run examples status.js. The file will be made. Boom, guys. We're talking to Algorand through the terminal and with JavaScript. I think this way is going to be how I'm going to use it for now. And we did our transactions. All right, so we're gonna have to play around with all this. This tells us how to actually use the whole thing. So we're back here. Finally, we're in JavaScript using the API. So boom, bam. Now I'm gonna take a little break and get some shower and some juice. Maybe get back to it in a little bit. One love, yo. It was great having anybody here. I see I got one viewer, so nice to have you. Welcome back anytime. Please check out my Patreon. Slash Carl. And I'm going to be continuing to do this. I'm just going to keep playing around with these blockchain technologies and see which ones are easiest to build creative projects on. And I'm just going to keep going from here. So one love. Have a great day until I see you again, which will probably be again today at some point when I'm mixing and mastering later tonight. So we just stay busy and we have fun and we keep going. One love.